Okay, so I think I've got this nailed down. So here's my, where's my navigation component? So there's my navigation system component. Just make sure, extend that. That's a navigation system, excellent. And here's my, so this is what I've got in here. So I've got no paths in here at all. This part has to be really specific. This is going to default to where this component is being run from. So it's your published area. So I'm publishing to a folder named test. So this is going to be running from A5 webroot / test. So that's where this is going to be. That's where this GIF is going to be coming from. And so we'll publish that. So that's good. And here's my A5W page that's running that component. And again, I'm loading this without anything else, so this will automatically be loaded from A5 webroot test folder. A5 webroot folder, and underneath that I have a folder named test, and in there is my GIF. So exactly the same setup as in the navigation system component. So that's good. Let's publish that. Great. Now let's pop into here, and we're going to go and clear cache. Make sure that's not an issue. So empty the cache. Good, it's gone. So now we're going to pop back into here, and we're going to open it and run it. So if we have a look at the network traffic now, and I'm going to reload this. So there's our GIF. So it's loaded, and see what was it loaded from? It was loaded from / test. So by default, A5 webroot, and then in the test folder. And now watch what happens down here. It's kind of fast actually. So once you get the video, you just slow it down. Stop it when this page gets loaded. You'll see that no other GIF gets loaded because it's actually using the GIF from the same place. So it is using cache. So I'm just going to open this. There's my GIF. All good. I'm breaking into the debugger because that's just what I'm doing. But if I just go ahead, there's my page. So that works. That works really well. So if we were to do that again, close that. I'm going to open this. So let's go and run this. I closed that, right? Yep. So let's go and run this. So there's my page. Inspect. I'm going to go to network. And now my GIF's already been loaded. I mean, I know it's in there. We could tell if we go to sources. Well, if we go to sources in Firefox, it would tell us. But anyway, let's just stay here. It doesn't really matter. So let's go and clear cache again. Good. Network showing. All okay. Now, if I were to open this, didn't get done. Right? Because I cleared cache after I loaded that. So now let's go and we'll just continue running this. And we'll go back. And I'll go to network again. Now that's been loaded because we came back. Now if I open this again, great. And it works. So let's close that down. Let's go and clear cache. What did I do that for? Didn't want to do that. So that proved the cache was being cleared and things were not loading. So that's a good proof. So let's go back to Alpha. We're going to run this. That image has been loaded. We're going to inspect elements. We're going to go to network. Nothing's going on, and we're going to run this. And there's our stuff. And you could see it. It wasn't even trying to load that GIF because it was already there. So that should work theoretically, I think. So I hope that helps a bit.